In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write short LinkedIn posts with AI using Writesonic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate crisp, engaging LinkedIn updates in minutes without sounding generic. Start by heading to writesonic.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, open Chatsonic. This is the recommended tool because it gives you more control over tone, structure, and style than a basic text generator. In other words, it's easier to steer the output so it sounds like you, fits your audience, and stays within LinkedIn's short-form best practices. Next, use a clear, specific prompt. Tell Chatsonic you want a short LinkedIn post under 120 words. Include your topic and who the post is for. Set the tone to professional but conversational so it feels approachable yet credible, then guide the structure. Ask for a strong hook in the first line to grab attention. Request short sentences and no fluff, so every line earns its place. Tell it to include one actionable insight your reader can use right away and end with an engaging question to invite comments. After you paste that prompt and your details, click Generate. Here's how that looks in practice. If your niche is virtual assistants, you could say, write a short LinkedIn post under 120 words on the topic of why businesses need virtual assistants in 2026. The audience is small business owners. The tone is confident and insightful. Keep the style tight with a strong hook, short paragraphs, one actionable takeaway, and finish with a question. A sample output might sound like this. Most business owners don't need more hours. They need leverage. A virtual assistant isn't an expense, but it's an efficiency multiplier. Delegating repetitive tasks frees you to focus on revenue-generating work. Start by outsourcing just 3 recurring tasks this week. What's one task you should have delegated months ago? That's short, clean, and engaging, with a hook, a single clear action, and a question to spark replies. If the first draft feels generic, refine it. Ask Chatsonic to make it more bold and scroll-stopping, add a stronger hook, and keep it under 100 words. Small prompt tweaks like these usually sharpen the voice, tighten the pacing, and make the post punchier without losing clarity. You can run another generation or two until the tone and specificity feel right for your brand. That's it. Open Chatsonic, use a type prompt, and refine for punch. With this workflow, your LinkedIn posts stay short, useful, and worth reading.